Jen and Maggie here, your business relationship managers at REcolorado. We have had an exceptional year despite the pandemic. Month-over-month market statistics are showing a slowdown, which is typical as we enter the fall and winter months. Now that you might be experiencing a bit more free time, it's a great opportunity to sharpen your matrix skills and learn more about all of the products and services included with your REcolorado subscription.
Yeah, one of the biggest benefits is the access to our training team. We have 4 dedicated trainers and they offer 17 different classes, 10 of which include CE credits. And all of these classes are available to brokers and appraisers with your REcolorado subscription, of course at no additional costs. You can take live training webinars right now, all of which are held via Zoom, so it's easy to be taken from your home in the comfort of your own space. REcolorado subscribers can earn free CE credits for certain classes, and all of those CE credits are issued electronically, which makes it really easy for you to keep track of those CE credits and the certificates. Just visit the CE credits icon right from your Connect dashboard to see that full track record of classes that have been taken. Now you can also register for upcoming training classes by visiting the class schedule icon from your Class Connect dashboard as well. And then we also have recorded webinars for each of our training classes, and those can be found in the Learning Center, which is again on your Connect dashboard.
Yeah, so we know as one selling season winds down, you're already busy planning for next year. So here are some of the classes that we recommend so you can hit the ground running.
Yeah, I love all of the Matrix classes because that's the tool you're probably using most frequently. A couple that I love the most are Matrix Accessing What You Want, which teaches you how to search for properties more efficiently. The next is Matrix If It Can't Be Found, It Can't Be Sold, and that's how do you input a listing on behalf of your seller so that other brokers can find it. And lastly, I love Public Records and Matrix, which shows you how to search your public records database and use that information to benefit buyers and sellers, or maybe even grow your farm area.
Yeah, speaking of farms, we have a great farming class on how you can identify, maintain, and profit from a farm. We also have a class to connect with your sphere and stay top of mind. That class is called Keeping in Touch with Past, Present, and Future Clients. And of course, I recommend the class Stay Connected with the REcolorado app. You won't want to miss out on any new leads, and you'll want to make sure to make those connections with clients as they start the buying and selling season.
Yeah, we love that REcolorado app. There are a variety of other resources available to you from our training team. And again, these are for brokers and appraisers. One that we always recommend is the Learn at Lunch webinars. And again, these are virtual classes held every Friday at noon. You can watch them live, or we have recorded sessions of previous webinars that are available from the Learning Center. I also want to point out the Resource Center, which again is located on your Connect dashboard. And this has a variety of helpful PDF documents, including listing input forms, a square footage companion. We even have the ABCs of Matrix, which tell you the definitions of all kinds of things within Matrix. And speaking of Matrix, we have a full help tab within REcolorado Matrix, right under the drop-down of your name in the upper right-hand corner.
Yes, and don't forget, you can attend training classes through REcolorado or reach out to your business relationship manager, and we'd be happy to coordinate a time and date specifically for your office. And as always, our customer care team is available to you 6 days a week via phone or email.
Thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you in person one day soon. Take care, everyone.
Bye.